Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it.
What do we have here? Back the hood here, Charlie. Chevy Silverado. Look at this thing.
All right, so this is our brand new project vehicle. It's a 2014 Silverado 1500. It has the 5.3 direct injected V8 under the hood, a 6-speed automatic in the middle, and 4-wheel drive under the front.
By the looks of everything, that Truck Tech is trying to start their own fire department because I see red vehicles all the time coming through there.
I'd love to see a gray truck or something, but you know, LT's got red hair, so red it is.
When do we see the firemen?
Hopefully. Austin has a good mind and sticks some 42s under this one.
This is actually a giveaway. So we're gonna build this thing up and we're gonna give it away to one lucky viewer.
You know, we already got our brains turning on what we want to do to this, but you as a viewer, if you guys have anything you want to throw at it, you know, when we do our Power Nation Lives, throw in the comments, you can throw in anything, hit us up on the Instagram, the Facebook. If you got ideas, something you want to see specific with this truck, we'll try to make it happen.